In the world of banking, the role of a branch has changed significantly. Earlier, bank branches were the hub of all processing activity. Branches assisted customers in applying for a product, took decisions on cross or upsell to a customer based on their knowledge of the customer profile, processed product applications, handled verification of applications, and undertook disbursements. Times have changed. Today, a customer's profile is multifaceted, with his relationship spanning multiple banks and products. Moreover, with the advent of multi-channel banking and technology advancements, customer expectations and demand for experience have changed drastically. To get a broader share of the customer portfolio, banks have to use the brief touch point with their customers on any channel to rightly position and bundle multiple products that suit the customer profile. Branches have transitioned from being the product processors of yesterday to customer-facing and delivery entities of today. While product processing, verification, and risk management are handled centrally, application and final disbursements are handled by the branch. A customer application has to be processed centrally with increased operating efficiency, better risk rating, and centralized tracking, as opposed to the delays, tracking errors, and inconsistencies of yesterday. Banking involves data-centric, document-oriented, multi-stage, multi-participant review and involvement through rule-driven processes. These require multi-level approvals and have touch points with multiple systems, both internal and external. Banks require a centralized but flexible workflow so they can completely define or alter the touch points, necessary processing, verification, risk management, and hubs for collection and delivery. Moreover, a rule-based system has to have the flexibility to define rules for scoring and pricing of applications and products, for auto-decision and auto-escalation at key decision points. Banks also need the flexibility to bundle products on different channels as per the need of the customer. Yet they should be able to handle all related applications in a seamless, centralized fashion without bothering the customer with different applications for each product. Oracle FLEXCUBE offers a seamless, centralized, and flexible solution that meets these new age requirements of the bank. Oracle FLEXCUBE's architecture offers the capability to have origination triggered from any banking channel used by the customer. Banks can also predefine a tie-up of related products in its system for offering the customer a bundled product portfolio right at the time of a new application. For instance, a retail customer using a mobile banking application can apply for a loan product. This would trigger an origination in FLEXCUBE. If the bank has configured a tie-up of credit card and insurance products to the specific loan product in its FLEXCUBE system, the customer would be made an offer on the card and insurance products when he applies for the loan. Pricing of either or all of the products based on the customer's relationship with the bank can be configured into the workflow by the bank. If the customer agrees to apply for either or all of the additional products, he can do so through a single application. During processing, the knowledge worker in the bank can trigger a KYC process anywhere in the workflow of the bundled application if the need arises. Scoring based on credit scores from internal and external systems can be auto-populated into the system for instant decision. This product application and processing workflow can be configured by the bank through Oracle FLEXCUBE to define hubs, checks, and escalations, making the entire processing management workflow a seamless, centrally controlled, flexible approach. Moreover, the bank has a complete flexibility to define and configure limits at a central level across all products, for each product individually or for each customer in its system. Oracle FLEXCUBE leverages Oracle Fusion middleware to offer banks the flexibility in customizing, automating, and managing workflows centrally for a product lifecycle. Banks have the power to configure related products and tasks in FLEXCUBE for a bundled offering on any channel, to define rules, checks and limits in scoring, processing, and in decision-making of product applications. Oracle FLEXCUBE empowers the bank staff to work on configurable SLAs, and task assignments driven by demographics, products, or customer categories. It's a solution that'll have both the banker and the customer smiling. Well, all the way to the bank.